Question number 2 from Edexcel International A-Level Maths into January 2026. Figure 1 shows a sketch of part of the curve C with equation y is equal to 2 raised to power minus 0.1x. The table below shows corresponding values of x and y for y is equal to 2 raised to power minus 0.1x. The y values are given to 4 decimal places. Here are the values of x and y. The region R shown shaded in the figure 1 is bounded by the curve C, the x-axis, and the lines with equations x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 11. This is the shaded area R, which is bounded by the curve C, the x-axis, and the lines minus 4 and 11. Use the trapezium rule with all the values of y in the table to find an estimate for the area of R. Give the answer to 2 decimal places. Trapezium rule. By using trapezium rule, we have to calculate the area of the shaded region R. In trapezium rule, we use all the y values of this table. The first value is y0, second is y1, y2, y3, y4, and y5. Here are 6 points and 5 number of trapeziums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 number of trapeziums here. Now using the formula for trapezium rule, we have area is equal to h by 2, first point y0 plus last point y5 plus 2 times the middle points y1, y2, y3, and y4. What is h here? H can be calculated by the formula h is equal to b minus a over n, where b is the last point and a is the first point. Value of b is 11 and a is minus 4. By using here 11 minus 4 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Value of h is 3 and all these values are given in the table. So we put these in the formula. 3 by 2 y0. Y0 is the first value in the table, 1.3195. 1.3195. Then y5. Y5 is the last value in the table, 0.4665. 0.4665 plus 2 times all the middle values. Now put all these values in the calculator to get the answer. By adding all these values, then multiply it with 2 and add these 2 values in the answer. Then multiply by 3 and divided by 2, we get the area equals 12.35. This is the area of the shaded region up to 2 decimal places. Part B is state how you would use the trapezium rule to get a more accurate estimate for the true area of R. More accurate estimate of the area can be obtained by increasing the number of trapeziums in the shaded area. If we increase the number of points or the number of trapeziums, we can get the more accurate estimate of the area. So the answer is by increasing the number of trapeziums in shaded area. Next is using the answer to part A and showing your working, estimate the value of integral from minus 4 to 11, 2 raised to power 3 minus 0.1x dx. How can we calculate this integral? Let us solve it. Integral from minus 4 to 11, 2 raised to power 3 minus 0.1x dx. First of all, we simplify this integral as minus 4 to 11, 2 raised to power 3 multiply 2 raised to power minus 0.1x dx. Now 2 raised to power 3 is a constant value, so it can be written out of the integral. 2 raised to power 3 integral minus 4 to 11, 2 raised to power minus 0.1x dx. 2 raised to power 3 equals 8. So this is 8 times minus 4 to 11, 2 raised to power minus 0.1x dx. This is equal to 8 multiply 12.35, which is taken from first part A of the solution. And this is equal to 98.8, the value of the integral in part C.